rectangular components of vector in 3 dimensions and concept of direction cosines. We know that rectangular components means those vectors which are at right angle to each other are known as the rectangular components of a main vector. So it means 3 dimension means x, y and z axis. So let us consider a vector A is split into 3 vectors, that is ax vector along x axis, ay vector along y axis and az vector along z axis. Let this vector A makes angle alpha with x axis, beta with y axis and gamma with the z axis. So since ax, ay, az are the 3 rectangular components, so vector A can be written as axi cap plus ayj cap plus azk cap, right? So magnitude can be calculated as root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. In this case we will since this is a 3-dimensional process, so we can't find the single direction, so we'll find out the direction cosines, right? So along x axis, since it is angle alpha, so ax can be written as ax is a cos of alpha, or cos alpha is equal to ax by a. Similarly, ay can be written as ay is equal to, this angle is beta, so ay is equal to a cos of beta, or cos of beta is equal to ay by a. Similarly, third, az is equal to a cos of gamma, or cos of gamma is equal to az by a. So these cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are known as the direction cosines, right? Now putting the value of ax, ay, az in this expression, we can get the value of its magnitude, that is a is equal to root of ax square is a cos alpha square, a cos beta square and a cos gamma square. So a square is taken common, this becomes cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, right? So this would becomes 1. So in that case a square cos square alpha, a square b square, right? So in that case if I square both sides, a square is equal to a square cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, so that cancel out, or we can say cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. It means sum of squares of direction cosines of a vector is always equal to unity. Similarly, we can find out the position vector, as I have already discussed. If a vector is A having coordinate x, y, z, then that can be written as a vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and its magnitude is given by root of x square plus y square plus z square, right? So this is all about displacement vector, is also have been already discussed, and this is all about the rectangular components of a vector in 3 dimension.